Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at Google Classroom and see how we can download and use Google Classroom on our laptop or desktop. It's very important. So sometimes you tend to want to open internet browser to go open. Sometimes that takes a little bit of time. So I want to show you exactly how you download it on desktop and you can actually use it from that particular angle. Right? So I'm going to be guiding you through it. The first thing you want to do, come right here to click on the Chrome browser, or you can come right here in the taskbar and click and come up. So right up here in the search bar, you're gonna click, you're gonna type in Google extension. You notice Google Classroom extension. You're gonna click on it. When you click on it, you notice you bring up this particular window here. So what you want to do is look for this word Google Classroom and you're gonna click on it. When you click on this word named Google Classroom, notice it's gonna bring up this particular window right here. That's the extension over here. You notice right here, say add to Chrome, you're gonna click on add to Chrome right there. Yes, now when you click on add to Chrome, you notice right up here, say cancel and add apps. You're gonna click on it right here, say add apps. Right, and if you notice it's a check-in, it's very important here. Right, so this is a process that you have to definitely go through. Alright, you notice you take it directly to this particular window. The first thing you want to do is put the cursor on it and right click. Right, and then it's open as window, you're going to click on that. Then you're going to put by the cursor point again and you're going to right click and come right down here and say what? Create a shortcut. You're going to click the shortcut. When you click it right here, if you want it on the desktop itself, I want it to start up menu, I want it on both, you just make all of these two things here. Check, and then right here you're going to create a shortcut. Alright, you're going to click create a shortcut. When you finish with that, you're going to come right here and close it. Right, going to close it, and there you go. This itself is a Google Classroom. Right, now it's on the desktop now. How does the student really access it, or the parents? The only thing you have to do is just come right click. Since I don't click now, we're going to right click. Alright, instead of it means you have to open the browser. Alright, when you click cursor and right click, you're going to click the word open. When you click on the word open, it's going to take you to this particular window here. Alright, you can actually come right here and extend the window just like that. Alright, so when you open it, alright, you're going to either take you to a window where a class is, or you're going to take you to a section where you have to sign in. Perfect. So this is exactly where it's going to take you. So therefore, if this account, say for instance, this account here is the one that the school give the student. Alright, I'll give you a child. Click on it. When you click on it, what you want it to do is just put in the password. So when you put in the password now, then you press next. But once you do this one time, as long as you don't sign out, you have no problem. Every time you're going to access your work, the only thing you do is just right click, open it, and you're going straight into the class. Alright, so very important. If you notice, alright, and this is the classroom. I'm going to click right here, and there you go. I'm actually right into the classroom just like that. Right, when I'm finished, I can come right here and close it. Right, so tomorrow, now I want to visit Google Classroom again for our next assignment. The only thing I have to do is just come right here and just right click. And right click, I just click the word open. When I click open, you see exactly what takes place. Right, if you notice, show that it actually processing. You notice, it take me directly back into the class. Right, so the only thing that I have to do is come right here and just select the class, and there you go. Right, and this is how easy it is when you download it, have it, and actually sign in. But once you sign in one time, you don't have to do nothing again. Nothing, you have to right click and just open and search and get the assignment. Right, so it's very important. So this is how you can actually download it from the desktop and actually use it on the desktop. Right, so I hope you have learned something from this particular video here, and if this video helped you, please just share it. And it was a pleasure sharing this video with you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.